I hear shots coming on the low from hoes I'm hiding. This attention is so flattering cause they admiring. Don't know what's on their mind, but it should be retirement.
Hey loves, as you guys can see from the title below, this is going to be a haul video with all the new accessories that I have purchased for my iPhone XS Max. You guys know I did an unboxing and I also did a what is on my iPhone. If you haven't seen that video, I will have it linked down below. If you haven't seen the what's on my iPhone video, I will have that one linked down below as well. And for everyone that's asking, I am going to be filming a case collection today. So if you see the same makeup look and everything like that, I'm filming a lot of videos today because I'm sick and I want to get these videos out to you guys. And I snapped one of these items on my Snapchat. If you guys are not following me on Snapchat, you should. And I was like, you know what? I'll just do an entire video to share these things with you guys. And I will also put the links in the description. Any coupon codes or anything like that, I will have all the information linked down below. So I got this from a company called Boo. I will have it down below like I said. You can get a lot of items on their website. I will show you guys real quickly. This is how their website looks. I don't want to, like, my ring light is behind me, so I don't want to blind you guys with the light. But as you guys can see, they have phone cases for all iPhones, as you guys can see. And I do have a clear one. And I also like to see my phone case clear. I'll show you guys how it looks. Also on my phone, I do have the Boo iPhone XS Max tempered glass. This is the one that I have on my phone right now, which I absolutely love, and it is at a good, reasonable price. So like I said, go check them out. I have a lot of items from them. Here are all my goodies. And it came through Amazon, so you can shop through Amazon with them, or you can shop on their website, but mine came Amazon. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys right here, it looks just like this. Now this phone is water resistant, but you can only have your phone under the water for so long. So I don't know why, you know, they say that, because you still have to get, like, if you're going to be underwater for a very long time, then your phone is going to fuck up. That's just what that is. So this is the waterproof bag. This is how it comes packaged. I absolutely love these. And I highly do suggest you guys get it, because if you're in the water too long, girl, if you're out with your friends and shit like that, girl, your phone is not going to be good anymore. Apple is playing with y'all. So I'm going to open it up. And I got this because I know these items sell out really quickly. And we're going out of town in December and we're going to be underwater. So, not December, what am I saying? January. And I definitely needed to get this. So, this is how it looks. You just basically put your phone in here. It has the secure lock right here, so nothing is going to get inside of here. As you guys can see, price. Go check them out. All of their stuff on their website is definitely affordable. And you guys know the iPhone X, S and the X, oh my God. The smaller one and the little one. I'm not going to do all that. Don't have a lot of accessories out right now. You guys know when the phone first comes out, the phone cases are really expensive. I know at Apple they're like 50 bucks. So, you know, we like to ball on the budget on this channel, honey. So if we're able to get, you know, heavy duty phone cases and items for your iPhone, we're definitely going to ball on a budget. You guys know how I do on this channel. And so right here, I took this one out because I already had used this one. Phone, everyone needs a nice clear phone case, especially if you got the gold one or if you have the silver one. I just think this looks so good when it's like not, you know, what's what I'm looking for? Not covering it up. Like, this phone is so gorgeous, you don't want to cover it up. And so this is how it looks, and this is how it looks on the front. And like I said, I do have the black tempered glass on it. Well, it's not black. The edges are black, which is perfect because you guys know you got the black little rim on the phone. So I really do love it. It's really heavy duty. And I'll show you did it come in here? I think this is the one. This is how it came packaged. This is how their phone cases come. And then each phone case came with like a duster if you wanted to dust your phone off and stuff like that. I always keep my boxes just in case, you know, you get a new phone and you want to resell your phone cases. You guys know I do be selling a lot of stuff on Poshmark. This next case, I got this because, you know, Christmas is in 2 months. So red, of course, like I said, it came in this package. You guys know I don't like red. I only like red like in December. So I'll show you guys, and you will see all these cases in my case collection video. You guys, I am going to film the case collection video today. I don't know when it's going to go up. So if the case collection is up by the time you're seeing this, I will link it down below. If not, just stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. So this is how the phone case looks. As you guys can see, it looks like that. And it fits very, very snug. As you guys can see, the bottom, this is how the front looks. That red is definitely popping. So if you're someone and you like the color red, this is definitely for you. I think this is going to be really, really cute around Christmas time. I really do like how it fits the phone perfectly, and it's on really, really tight. It's going to kind of be hard for me to get it off, to be quite honest, because it's on here super tight. And that's what you want. You want a phone case that is going to fit. Like, it's on here super duper tight, you guys. Ooh, like, look at that. I can barely get it off. Let's see how long it takes me to get this off. Oh, it's off. Very protective, very tight, very sturdy, and my tempered glass is still on here perfectly. The next item I have is another phone case. This one I think is black on the edges, and I specifically got the black on the edges so you can still see the clear at the back. Oh no, this is the bumper one. Okay, so this is the bumper one, and like I said, you can get it through Rambloo.com, and they have Amazon. So this one is my, what would I call this? This is my risky phone case. But it's cool though, because I have a tempered glass that's coming in that goes on the back of my phone. So I'm still good if it drops, because I have a protective glass on the front, and I will have one on the back, and that's the only way I would wear this, because as you guys can see, it's see-through. And all you do is put it on the bottom. As you guys can see, it's kind of like this, so you have some space. I want to put it on my phone, but I'm scared it's going to get stuck like the last one, because their phone cases are perfectly fitted. You know, some phone cases may have a little room on the side. These fit perfectly. So yeah, this is how it looks. It fits perfectly. Bottom, and this is how it looks. And this is how the back looks. It's really cute. Like, it blends very, very well with the phone case. So that's that. I think I have a few more items, but I will show you guys the tempered glass that I have on my phone. You guys are not going to be able to see it because it's on my phone and it's black. But this is how it came, and it says screen protector. And let me tell you guys something. There's a difference between a screen protector and a tempered glass. But this one is a tempered glass screen protector. A screen protector, I used to wear it back in the Gap. Meaning, if you drop your phone, you're fucked, because a screen protector is just that. It's a screen on your phone. So if you're somewhere and someone's trying to sell you a screen protector for like $30, $40, you're only paying for like basically, you know, when you get the new phone and it has that little paper thing on it, and when you take it off, you start putting the fingerprints and everything on it. It's basically just like that, and that's what you don't want, because if you drop that, you're fucked. Simple. You want to get a tempered glass, meaning if you drop your phone, you're not going to crack your screen, you're going to crack the tempered glass. So you're going to save the screen on your phone. All you have to do is take this off and replace it with a new one, versus going to all these different cell phone places and repairing your phone, which you guys know the phone is still brand new now. So when you go to a cell phone place, they're going to charge you an arm and a leg, and you could have just went on rainbow.com and got you a tempered glass. As a matter of fact, I would suggest buying 2 or 3, because if you're clumsy like me and you drop your phone all the time, you don't want to be wearing cracked tempered glasses. You want to take that one off and put a new one on. I want to show you guys everything that came with the tempered glass. So this is how it looked when I got it. On top, this is how the tempered glass came. It was inside of this. Didn't have any dust or anything on it. This is the piece that was stuck to the tempered glass. It was on here very sturdy. This little piece right here was on a tempered glass. You have a little wipey to clean it off, and as a matter of fact, the little wipes just fell on the floor. So basically what I did was I cleaned it off with the wipe, and then I cleaned it off with this cloth. And then anything else that was on it, let me show you guys. Is it in here or did I put it up? Let me see. These are the instructions right here. As you guys can see, it's in English and in another different language. And then it comes with their card. And then it came with this. Now you guys, if you buy a tempered glass and it don't come with this, you're buying the wrong tempered glass, because this is what secures that tempered glass and gets all those bubbles out of there. Like, it was literally like a 5-second process. I literally lined it up with the little speaker that you can hear out of, and boom, I snapped this on first, okay, and then I put it on. It was a piece of cake, and then I don't know what this is. Okay, yeah, and then this is what you can use to get some of the dust off, and that's how they came. So all you would have to do is just take this piece off, and then you just use this to get some of that off. And then last, this was a must. This item was a must because I had one from my other phone and I broke it, so I needed to get a new one. So this is the car mount. It looks just like this. When I put it in my car, this is how I put it in my car, just like that, right on the little dash. And you put the phone right on it, as you guys can see right here. And I'm going to take it out. I'm so excited, you guys, to be doing this video, because I'm definitely going to put this in my car when I leave later on. So you have the accessories package in here. This is how it comes packaged. It's simple, just like that. And then, oh guys, I love it because it's so small and yet it still holds the phone. And then this is how the back looks. It has, you have to take that off. But yeah, and then it has the directions in here as well. And it also has the accessories in here, as you guys can see right here. So I'm super excited. I'm actually going to put this back in here because I want it to stick when I go put it in my car. So that's pretty much everything that I got. Like I said, I will have all the information linked down below where you guys can purchase it. Any coupon codes or anything like that, I will also have down below as well. And I am going to film my case collection video. These will be in that video as well, along with all of my other phone cases that I have. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this. What is my hair doing? Like, girl. I'm sick, you guys, so I really don't care. Like, the struggle is real. I'm sitting up here looking like I'm like, girl, I'm sick, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave all your comments down below. Also, let me know what type of phone you guys have, and if you are gonna purchase anything from them, definitely snap me. I want to see what you guys purchase, because you guys know, y'all know I be trying to be nosy and see what y'all purchase as well. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, check the description for all the information, the links for everything that I purchased. And that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until my next video, you guys, I love you guys so much. Bye.
Baby, your picture perfect. Your smile, God made it perfect. Don't let nobody tell you different. Baby, you're so worth it. You was beautiful in every way. When I'm describing it, it's all I say.